to another episode of Smilin Cake. This episode I have a story for you. So Monday was my birthday. I'm now 17. Like a week ago I got tested for glasses and I need them, as you can tell, and Monday was the day I could pick them up. And so I went to the place or whatever to get my glasses, and well, right when I was about to put them on, Rosie calls. Which isn't bad, except this is her ringtone. I'll show you. So I'm about to put them on, you see, okay? And she calls. Yeah, as you can tell, it was really bad. And the lady looked like so weirded out. Just imagine I'm sitting at church and she calls. Oh my gosh, if I don't mute that, I'm gonna be in trouble later. That is all for this video. So you can like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Smilin Cake.